Brewers are always keen to get involved in helping the community and any charity events that we can do. We first heard through this from head office and also through Elpida herself coming to us in branch. We just wanted to help the local community and this seemed like a really good project to get involved in.
When I saw this tree, I was kind of mesmerised by all the patterns which marks the tree. It's almost like a skin that's been tattooed, like we humans tattoo our skins. But this is kind of like being naturally kind of marked. I wanted to preserve that and I wanted to show those markings. And the reason for the guild on the internal is to kind of make the sculpture almost shine from inside out, or when you see the artwork from a distance, the gold would kind of draw you in. But the other idea has always been to bring it back next to its twin, so we don't forget the twin still living, and I wanted to have this kind of almost like a cycle of living and dying and bringing them together as one again, and that's why the tree has been positioned directly on its markings, slightly juxtaposed from the original cutting place, so when the scaffolding comes out you'll be able to see the actual footprint of the tree. That would be always there.